yeah, I was gonna take it slow, but then you think you can do maybe something small, and something small turns into a full day. That's too much. Well, it doesn't only look better. You can see the difference in height, and the thing is, there is a lot of good soil on the terrace, and it's a waste to let it go. So in the end, I still had a couple of logs left, one extra terrace for a couple of nice fruit trees. And I have to admit that sometimes I think I must have been crazy. Every one of those stones passed through my hand. But then there is the strong belief that one day it's going to be a small paradise. And that's what keeps you going. Disconnect the water, and, well, there are some other things to get rid of. Well, that umbrella is broken, so I think I have to toss it. Oh, nice winter storage. So those are the two openings for the white windows from the barn. That's 4 years ago. 4 years ago I thought to leave these, to put those windows, and to make something of a bar down here. For now, I can use it to store the materials that I need to use in the next 2 months. Now that's a lot better. 1 box to go, 2 boxes to go, and the rest is to ditch. Also much better like that. To be used when planting trees. And I got rid of that crazy plant. Ah. Time for coffee. Good. Maintenance. So the weather forecast. It's wet, humid. It's not freezing anymore, which is good. And I see a window of opportunity between Saturday and Tuesday. That will be the period where I can finish the terraces and plant the trees, etc. Right, so Maybe I can dig some more inside. So the plan was to have the website ready in September. But then I had some doubts and I quit. You know, and then you come back and you start to work. I love the physical work, but it's quite demanding. And well, if you stop at 5 or 6 o'clock in the afternoon, apart from having to do groceries once in a while, take a shower, turn on the wood stove, rest, cook, eat and sleep. And there is not a fiber in my body that will think about doing anything else. So, the past 2 days, rain, all day. No hard rain, but like a drizzle. And since I'm digging out the floor, and I don't really mind the rain, but I'm not gonna walk up and down with a wheelbarrow 20-30 times in the rain. So I figured, let's try and finish that website. This is my second day. It's a lot of work, especially if you are like somebody who's like pixel perfect and perfectionist and but between selecting all the pictures and making them the right size and the videos and the reels, etc, etc, and then you have to write the text and it's a lot of work, but it has to be done. So I'm not sure about tomorrow. Tomorrow it's Friday, and I thought maybe I can work a few hours, then stop, take a shower and continue working on the website for the next, I don't know, 10 days. For now, staying inside is not so bad either. It's raining, huh? Yeah, what do you do? Get wet? No, huh? So I'm not sure about the rest of the week, and I have to see about the video this week. I mean, me working on a website is not interesting. It's nice maybe when it's ready, take a look. I'll let you know. And then, like I said before, hopefully from Saturday, probably too wet, but from Sunday I can take 2 or 3 days to plant those trees and finish the last terrace. It's okay. I'm only human after all. And there I was thinking that it was gonna be dry today. I guess that settles it. Finally, the sky has cleared. But it's Friday afternoon and nothing happened here. I'm going to finish my website and then plant the trees. They're all in place. And then I'll get back to digging out this floor. It's clean, except for the water. I'm waiting for my plumber. Always the same. So yeah, it's what it is. There are more important things sometimes. Priorities. Thanks for watching. See you next week.